This is Clark with Awesome Powder Coat VW Type 3 engine tin installation. You can see I've installed the first fan. I only got one free hand, so you couldn't watch me do it. Put a little bit of grease on there and hit it with a rubber mallet. If you don't have a rubber mallet, get a block of wood and then use a hammer. Do not use the hammer on the fan. Don't do that. Now you say, there's a big difference in size here. Here's the Type 3 fan. Here is the Bug fan. You see how much larger the Type 3 is. There's a very good reason for that. The Type 3, the fan's mounted to the crankshaft, whereas the Bug, the fan's mounted to the pulley. So because of that, this fan's turning faster. That's why they had to go with a larger fan, because it's driven off the crankshaft.